Really loves cute stuff.
Shout out all the big booty hoes. Oh.
My bye. Scrolling on Insta. Not that I was scrolling, just I was scrolling. I have been following this page on Instagram for a while, and I've been wanting to buy stuff from them, but yesterday I was led by the spirit to do that. And this is what we got. Let's unbox it together. Page is everything lover. I need things for church. Bag that scream she's a sister. Do you have that much leather? First I got this. I need it. You know, I've not watched it, so I can't put it in my mouth, but it's gradient, yellow and pink. My two covers. Ooh, I love it. Next is this one. I bought it for herbs. So you know I take a lot of herbs. So this is for my herbs. I love it, and it's glass, so we're good. Next is this one. This is a key holder. If you know, I just got a new apartment, and so I'm buying things slowly. This is a key holder. It's so cute, guys. Look at it. Guys, it's so cute. Earring. I love it because it's polka dot. Oh, she gave me sweet. I love a little thank you package whenever I buy stuff. There are very few brands that do that, and it's so cute. Next is this one. So, this bag right here. Really loves cute stuff. What do y'all think? Next is this bag. Oh, she really did fit it. Guys, is this brown little cute bag? I've never had a brown bag before, so it has a keychain attached to it. Guys, which one do you think? Guys, next is this one. It's a black small bag. The other one is a medium bag. I'm still hoping on getting a big bag, a big black bag. Hello, it's the service. Are we here for service? This is the big one. Well, get into this brown, baby. Get into this brown. Come on.